MBAs don't wait for textbooks to catch up, and neither does SIDTM. From fintech disruptions to AI-driven marketing, the curriculum mirrors what's happening in the boardroom right now, making every classroom session feel like a live strategy lab. SIDTM's curriculum is curated to reflect real-time market disruptions, digital banking, AI in marketing, cybersecurity trends, and many more. It is designed for those who want to not just understand change, but lead it. You're constantly learning through relevance and not just rot. With SAP training, cloud tools, telecom policy, and digital transformation modules, the classroom felt like a business boardroom. Add to that real-time case studies, business simulation games, and global exposure through virtual summits, it is as close to real-world training as it gets. I stepped into placements with industry-ready confidence. Every project, simulation, and guest lecture felt like a dress rehearsal for the real world. SIDTM equips you with not just skills, but instincts. So you walk into interviews ready to solve and not just impress. This is not just education, it's industry immersion from day one, and that makes all the difference.